Hey, what up YouTube? It's the Ascended Tech Ninja back at it again with another video. Now today we'll be doing the full review on the JBL Boombox 2. Now I'll be answering 3 questions. 1 is worth the asking price of $499.95. 2, if you have the Xtreme 2, how does it compare to the Boombox 2? And 3, how does this baby sound? Now if you like that intro, smash the like button. Now let's go into the review.
Now, starting off with portability, the JBL Boombox 2 weighs in at 13 pounds, so you will be switching your hands from time to time. But if you want to rock out old school, just place it on your shoulder and rock it just like a boss. Just don't turn it up too loud.
What's up YouTube? So we're back at New York Park. So anyways, let's get on to the Boombox 2 review. So this is a bad boy, and for the price of $499.95, it costs a damn much. So anyways, let me tell you a bit about the sound quality. So at lower volumes, it's been decent. You know, it sounds like it's being held back because due to the 80-watt power limiter. But once you get above 4%, that bass starts kicking, yo. But once it gets higher, you know, vocals and mids sound clear, but at times it can get overpowered by the bass and it can like go up and down as far as voices sound. But today, just to give a little comparison, how does the Xtreme 2 compare to the Boombox 2 if we already have one? Now, without further ado, let's get to the sound test. Both speakers will be playing at maximum volume. We'll start with the Boombox 2 first. As expected, the Boombox 2 got way louder and way more bass. But the thing is about it, due to like these huge passive radiators, it can get overly blown by the music itself due to the bass. While as the Xtreme 2, it doesn't really have that problem. It's mostly controlled. But the thing is that if you're looking for more of a portable Bluetooth speaker to carry around and still waterproof, in case we drop it in here. I'd do it. Ha! I wish. Oh, come on! But yeah, so basically get the Xtreme 2. But if you want to pay the extra $150 and get the Boombox 2, then I suggest it. But as far as the bass goes and frequency response, it's 50 hertz to 20,000 kilohertz. But the bass starts to actually drop off around 45, but the lowest you can get is around 32. As far with the Xtreme 2, you're gonna get the frequency response is from 20,000 kilohertz to 50 hertz, no 55. So around 50 is where it kind of starts to max out, where is peak, and then around like 45 is where it starts to drop off at. But look at the size and the portability, and this strap comes in handy. So if you looking to do more, more content of me, let me know down in the comments. But besides for that, I truly thank you for watching. Now this has been the Tech Ninja. See you on the next video.